Are you curious about the brand new upgrades coming to the Apple Watch app? In this video, we're going to break down everything you need to know about the latest Apple Watch features, from the brand new sleep score system to powerful new workout tools that Apple surprisingly didn't even highlight in their keynote. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how these updates can change your daily routine, whether you're focused on improving your sleep, training for your next run, or just getting more out of your Apple devices. So let's start with sleep. Apple has finally rolled out a dedicated sleep score, and it's more detailed than you might think. Here's the interesting part. You don't actually need an Apple Watch to see it. As long as you're using a smartwatch or device that tracks sleep stages and syncs data into Apple Health, you'll get a sleep score. That means if you're using a Garmin or even a Huawei device, you'll still benefit. Of course, if the sleep tracking on your device isn't accurate, the score won't be very reliable, but the option is there. Another thing Apple did really well is retroactive scoring. The app goes back and calculates sleep scores for your previous nights, even years back, so you can instantly see long-term trends in your sleep patterns without having to start from scratch today. Now let's talk about how that score is calculated. It's out of 100 points, broken into 3 categories. Up to 50 points come from your total sleep duration, including how much deep and REM sleep you actually get. Up to 30 points come from bedtime consistency, basically whether you go to bed at the same time each night. And finally, 20 points are based on how often you wake up and how long you stay awake at night. It's a simple breakdown, but it makes it very clear where you're losing quality in your sleep. The best part, Apple Watch is one of the most accurate sleep stage trackers on the market. In multiple independent tests and even in some scientific studies, Apple ranks among the top when it comes to correctly identifying deep sleep, REM and wake times. Models like the Series 9, Series 10, and both Ultra models have performed really well compared to gold standard devices like EEG or PSG systems. So if you're wearing an Apple Watch, those sleep scores aren't just numbers, they're backed by solid tracking technology. But sleep isn't the only thing getting a major boost. Apple also quietly released new workout recording features that almost nobody is talking about. With the latest iOS and watchOS updates, you can now log workouts using only your AirPods Pro 3 or Powerbeats Pro 2, since both of these have built-in heart rate sensors. That means you can leave the Apple Watch at home and still capture workout data. And if you prefer using a heart rate strap, that works too. Now if you do pair your Apple Watch, this is where things get even better. You unlock a brand new workout builder tool. This lets you create fully structured workouts, complete with warm-ups, cooldowns, intervals, recovery steps, and targets based on time, distance, pace, heart rate, cadence, or power. You can even design repeats like 8x 600 meter intervals and have it all sync directly to your Apple Watch. On top of that, Apple introduced race routes. This feature lets you view your past runs or rides, compare your recent times to your best ones, and essentially race against yourself. For athletes and fitness enthusiasts, this is a huge upgrade, and it's something that was previously only available through paid third-party apps. And here's a bonus, you can also share these workouts with your friends or training partners, and once they accept, it syncs automatically to their Apple Watch. It's a small feature but adds a really social element to training. Overall, these new Apple Watch app upgrades are a big step forward. Sleep tracking is more insightful than ever with the new scoring system, and workout tools are finally catching up to what serious athletes expect, all without needing to pay for extra apps. Apple didn't shout about these updates during the keynote, but for anyone who cares about health, fitness, or just getting better insights into their lifestyle, these features are game-changing.